Normal soccer balls are too light for persons with multiple disabilities to control effectively. This means more work for caregivers and less playtime for students. Introducing Ollie, an adaptive soccer system for inclusive play. Let's take a look at what's inside Ollie. It features a customizable weight system that creates its uniquely pivoting motion. Weights, base shape and stimulants such as the foam pole and lights are inserted into the ball body. Round base Ollie is designed for PMD with lower body mobility. Its pivoting motion slows down gameplay, keeps the ball near the player while also increasing sensory stimulation. Flat base Ollie is designed for PMD with limited lower and upper body mobility. Its ascending pole gives visual accessibility while the flat base counterweights the pole and allows the ball to slide. Weights can be adjusted to suit individual abilities. Lights and bells can also be added as additional stimulants before securing the weighted base. Round base Ollie hands players the opportunity to control the ball at their own pace. This gives players greater independence from start to finish. Ollie even facilitates cooperative play, turning sports for persons with MD into not only an individual but also social activity. Flat base Ollie stays close to wheelchair-bound players during gameplay, while its ascending pole gives players a visual window to the ball's movement. This GoPro footage from the player's point of view shows how the foam pole wobbles with the ball's movement. This game is brought to the player's visual plane, increasing engagement and comprehensibility. Ollie Ball can even be customized to suit unique group demographics. Ollie's motion-triggered lights housed on top of the pole and within the body gives players an even more fun and engaging experience. Ollie, an adaptive soccer system for inclusive play.